Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about can you make $200 a day from day trading the futures market? Okay. And also, we're just going to give you an update on the charts when it comes to Bitcoin and these other altcoins. Okay. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because over here, I'm all about making money now. All about making money from the charts. If you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. This is what I do. Okay, this is what I do full time. I love it. Okay, it gives me the opportunity to stay home and trade and make money from my house. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Shout out to everybody that's coming in. Let me see if I see anybody so far in the chat room. What's going on, Travis? What's going on, Swazza? Let me pop this down real quick, guys. But, if you're watching this replay, you can actually hit the settings. Hit 1.52. And, you can speed up the replay. So, shout out to all you guys that's coming in right now. I appreciate all you guys that's coming in the building. Actually, let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. I know, this is the weekend, so I don't know how many people are going to show up, but let's give you guys a round of applause real quick. All right. All right, so let's go over the crypto market real quick, and then later on we're going to talk about the futures market. Okay, and let's go from there. So basically, right now the Bitcoin dominance is at 50. Okay, it's actually dropping a little bit, and the volume is still whatever. It's not not the greatest. Today is green across the screen. Okay, the market cap is at 130-ish, 132, and overall things are just steady. Okay, crypto is not really doing anything right now. The market is just steady, and we are definitely waiting for a breakout. So let me go. I want to go to the dominance real quick. I want to see the chart. I want to see if I don't know why this thing is freezing up. I want to see if just give me a second, guys. Let me go back here a little bit. I want to see if okay, so this is a dominance chart. So if we do decide to sell off, it could be a big break to the upside. Okay, and like I said, eventually I believe we're probably going to hit that 60 mark, maybe around 66 when it comes to the dominance. So let's go back to the charts, guys. We are at resistance right here. Bitcoin could go up one more time. That's a possibility. We are still in this channel right here, so we will see if it wants to break this channel to the upside or downside. Now, if it breaks to the downside, I definitely expect more continuation, or probably go back to test the lows. All right. Now, yes, it's a possibility that we can actually break to the top. If we break to the top, honestly, I don't see this thing going up too far. Really don't. It looks so weak, bro. I mean, it looks real weak, and you just have to deal with the sideways motion right now when it comes to the crypto market. I would personally, I thought that we was going to get more volatility since it's the beginning of this year. Okay, since the beginning of the year in January, I thought we was going to get more volatility, but no, nothing. So let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum looks like it's actually losing a little bit of steam, and most likely probably going to pull back with Ethereum right now because we are at resistance. We passed the high right here. So that's some type of resistance right now. So I definitely see some type of pullback. We will see. Okay, if it doesn't pull back, we're probably going to shoot up some more to this trend line right here. That's another possibility. But right now we probably going to see sellers come in. It is the weekend, so we probably ain't going to see that much going on the weekend. But Ethereum, of course, having that upcoming hard fork situation, looks like a buyer rumor, seller news type of situation. So keep your eyes on that. Probably going to be some selling opportunities with Ethereum. All right, you know how it is when these guys launch their little fork and news events. But what's going on, Travis, Swazza, Ahmed, Paul, Craig, D-Loading? Okay, all you guys, thanks a lot for coming in. Paul, who else was here? Firas, who else? Andy, what's going on? I mean, Mr. Sandy, Peter, Quick Shot, what's going on, bro? If you guys have any questions, please type it in. I'm going to do a quick live stream real quick today. Nothing really going on in crypto world right now, but I do see some type of weakness. Weakness with Ethereum. So probably we're going to be pulled back a little when it comes to the crypto world. Overall charts like Bitcoin, XRP, they all look weak. They all definitely look weak. They definitely look like they want to continue to go down. I do expect some type of maybe some type of move next week. Okay, this week we didn't see anything at all. I mean, it's just horrible. So I definitely do expect something next week. Okay. And overall, I was reading this, and I believe we're gonna start, getting articles like this. Crypto bottom is close, because I hear a lot of people saying that nowadays. Bottom is closed, blah blah blah. I think we're gonna get a lot of that in 2019. So just be aware of that. A lot of these YouTubers are gonna say that. Actually, some of them probably saying this is the bottom right now. So just be aware of that again in 2019. I don't want you guys to, be a fool or be, get tricked and think that this is the bottom. Just like in 2018, every single time we was going down, they was calling a bottom. So make sure you guys stay on track. I'm hoping you guys learned a lot from me last year. And now you know that it's not about timing the bottom, okay? The market is never about timing the bottom, okay? Especially if you want to make money now in these markets, is never about how can I time the bottom, okay? Leave that to the rookies. Let them rookies lose money. Over here, we want to be professionals and learn how to make money, okay? But overall, like I said, what I personally don't like about crypto right now is, it's not what it's supposed to be right now, okay? Crypto is perverted. It is basically, you have greedy human beings came into space and messed, pretty much everything up, okay? So that's why, I'm saying the things that I'm saying. It's supposed to be decentralized, but it's not, okay? Let's be honest with ourselves, guys. Crypto is not really decentralized. It's not. So, like I said, I don't like what I see so far, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain about the situation. I'm going to say, you know what? It is what it is. I can't control it. So how can I make money from it? Okay. And that's what I'm doing. That's what you guys should do too. How can you make money from it instead of complaining about the manipulation and all this extra stuff? And move on. Okay. So let's go to the chat. If you guys have questions, type it in. If you don't, we'll go to some other stuff. You said talk about the exchanges that control the prices. I don't know what exchanges control the prices. Probably the major ones. Okay. I don't know like which one. Hey, what's going on, Michelle? How's everything? I haven't seen you in a long time, Michelle. What's going on with you? Everything's good on your side? Yeah, I don't know what exchanges that's control the market. So Yeah, Paul said hit those likes. Yes, hit the likes, guys. Hit those likes. And I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. With me, I'm not really doing anything this weekend and just relaxing. Probably do some house. I mean, some work around the house, but that's about it. Chill out with my daughter. Nothing else. Nothing really crazy. You know, my partying days is over, guys. I'm done. I'm right now. I'm more into building generational wealth. I'm not really into the the party. I mean, of course, you can have fun here and there, you know, but I'm more into relaxing, chilling with family, and learning and growing. That's what I'm into it nowadays. Um, you know, not really into partying like that or extra stuff. Because honestly, guys, there's a lot of distractions in the world that you really don't. You don't need them. You don't need those distractions. That's why a lot of people are. They're gonna lose. At the end of the day, they're gonna lose because they focus on the wrong things. But shout out to you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I'm not saying that not have fun. Of course, have fun. Live your life, okay? But also, you also have to understand, if you want to have a decent life later on, you also have to have some type of balance and, grow as an individual. Keep learning. All right, so let's go back to these questions. What's going on, Kirky? How's everything? Swazzy said, yes, you're 100% correct. Crypto has been corrupted. Yes, like I said, man, when I first got into this space, I was loving the whole idea, the whole concept. I wanted these things to succeed and grow. But the more I did research and the more I started to look into it, I was like, wow, these guys are actually playing games with us. And, it's the same BS, okay? Almost like the politicians, they tell you one thing and do another. It's the same BS, man. I'm like, goodness gracious, So the crypto world, is the same thing, guys. These guys are the people that create the coins, the white papers. These guys are very good at telling you what you want to hear. And they doing the opposite. They all, they here for the money. Okay, that's why you have to watch out, guys. You really have to be aware of how, just be aware of how things work. Because if you don't, you're always gonna be a victim. Let's go back to these questions here. What do you think about coin? What do you think about coin move these days? You said coins. What do you think about coins move? I don't know exactly what you're trying to say. Can you rephrase your question or retype it? Basically, what I think. I don't know if you said what I think about the market in general. Well, I'm quite sure you guys know how I feel about the market. I feel that we have another, we definitely, it looks like we definitely have another leg down, okay? I don't think 2019 is going to be any different from 2017. We can actually, be honestly, guys, we can consolidate for another 2 months. That's a possibility. I mean, we can go down right here, go out right here, create another flag, okay? So let me zoom out real quick. We could do something like this. Okay, create another flag, and then break out of this flag and continue to go right back down. Okay, I mean that could happen too. So you guys really have to pay attention to what's going on. Everything is good. All right, I hear you. Michelle. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I need to get with the group on day trading the futures. Crypto is slow as hell. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause. Yes, you need to get with the group. Okay. You definitely need to get with the day trading futures group, because that group is you know, is amazing. Actually, you know, the crypto group is amazing too. Okay, but you know, the day trading group is amazing too, and the stuff that you learn and the money that you can make is just, you know, it's mind blowing. Okay, a lot of these guys that never day traded in their life, you know, these guys, you know, they looked at the market and say, what, I can make that much. They didn't even know, you know. So my job is to give you guys the information, make sure you guys are, you know, on the right track, and, you know, make sure I show you guys how to do the right things. All right, and then from there you just have all the information, and now, you know, all you have to do is just basically go in and practice, and then eventually go live and make money. Okay, I have a lot of students doing that right now. Let's continue. Go back to these questions. First post, long time listener. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot. Who's that? That's George. Thanks a lot, George. Let me also give you that bomb. Okay. George is the first post long time listener. And honestly, guys, I didn't realize that, you know, there's a lot of people that watch me that really, you know, they don't even type in anything. Okay, they just watch me. So shout out to you, George. Okay, shout out to you. Thanks a lot for you know, typing in. And anybody else that, you know, watch my live stream and you never typed in anything, type in something. Okay, type in something. Say hi to me. You know, I would like to talk to my, you know, subscribers that I don't know. All right, so everything is good, studying hard, enjoying my weekend, nothing crazy. Yes, you know, that's what it's all about, man. Studying hard, bro. You're doing the right thing. You said volume, string of volume, but price is not moving. The reason why price is not moving is because you have to understand, we had a big drop. Okay, we had a big drop from with the BTC. Okay, so the market can't go in a straight line. It has to pull back. So we having these pullbacks right here, and unfortunately, right now the volume is drying up, and you know, crypto is not as, you know, volatile like it used to be. So we you know, we're gonna have, you know, some moves, but sometimes when it goes too far, it's just gonna stop and consolidate. Okay, and that's what it's doing. It's consolidating. Okay, when it's this, always remember, when it's consolidating, that means most likely is waiting to do a big move. Okay, so. Do I have any other social media accounts? No. I only have. I should probably make Twitter, Instagram. I should, but you know, right now I'm being lazy. Okay, but I don't have that. The only thing I have is a Discord room for my students. That's about it. What's going on, Leslie Savage? Ben, it took me 3 months to move from James Moonboy to the chart. Thank God I didn't lose, buddy. Thanks to Curry. Oh, man. Ben, keep doing what you're doing. Trust me, there's a lot of guys you need to save. Moonboys, don't stop, man. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. And yes, you know, I was talking about that yesterday. Okay, I was talking about, you know, because you said it took you what, 3 months. Okay, and I was talking about that yesterday. You know, sometimes I I need to repeat myself more than once, okay? And I'm doing that on purpose. It's a reason why I'm doing that. I'm not doing that just because I want to do it. It's a reason why I'm doing that, because the average person, okay, the average person will hear your message the first time, and they won't, they won't, accept it and understand your message the first time. Okay, you have to say it multiple times to get people to realize, man, you know what, this guy is actually really saying something. Okay, he's really saying something. Last year, people was laughing at me, telling me I don't know what I was talking about, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. I'm okay with that. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Because when I get emails telling me, hey bro, man, you saved me so much money, okay, like, that's priceless right there. Okay, priceless. But shout out to you for actually waking up and not being a moon boy. All right. There's nothing wrong with wanting things to go up, but when you are a moon boy, you only make money when things go up. And what I'm trying to do over here is trying to help you guys understand that's not the way to go. Will you do any trading over the weekend or wait till things pick up later during the week? Well, are you talking about Bitcoin? First of all, I swing trade cryptos. Lately, I haven't been swing trading cryptos. But it doesn't matter when it comes to cryptos, because over the weekend, you can, if you see an opportunity, you can still do it. Okay. So if you're talking about crypto, then yeah, it doesn't matter. If I see an opportunity, I'm in it. Okay. Now, if you're talking about day trading, the market is closed on the weekend. You said you're a new subscriber, Alina. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause, and shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you are new to my channel, okay, hit that subscribe button, because I know you're tired of losing. It's just what it is. And all I'm trying to do is just wake you up and help you understand that there's other opportunities. Singh said, should I hold my Bitcoin or invest? Should I hold my Bitcoin or invest in some other trending coins or tokens? First of all, Bitcoin, it doesn't matter any other tokens, because all these other coins are going down. All right. All these other coins are going down. So Bitcoin is the main coin, and you want to, understand that it doesn't matter if you go to other coins. It doesn't mean that these other coins are going to go up. Okay, Bitcoin is basically the big guy, and it's going to either bring up the market or bring down the market. So if I was you, okay, I would just learn how to read the charts, start building up your skills, and get used to swing trading the market so you can collect money now. Do you want to sell your Bitcoin now? That's up to you. You know what I mean? Like, if it was up to me personally, I'm not holding through this whole bear market. Me personally, I refuse to hold through a bear market like this, because I know for a fact this thing could get real ugly. like real ugly. But you know, me personally, I'm not holding anything. So that's the only thing I can tell you right now. You said a moon boy get hit with the Hadouken real soon. Oh man, I don't have any favorite coins to trade. I don't trade. If you're talking about day trading, I don't day trade cryptos. I swing trade it. When it comes to swing trade, I don't have any favorite coins to trade. I look at BTC. I look at the altcoins too. So it's not like a favorite trade, a coin. I mean, it's whatever coin is giving me that a decent setup, so I can take it. So if XRP is giving me a decent setup, I would take that. If Ethereum is giving me a decent setup, I would take that. So it doesn't matter, Nice little pop with Litecoin. I didn't see that. Nice little pop with Litecoin. So Litecoin might either go back to the high. We'll see. Nice little pop though. So if Litecoin pop like this, we might have other cryptos follow Litecoin. Okay, we might have other cryptos follow Litecoin. So we might have another move, but it's very hard to tell right now. But it's a possibility. But I still see a lot of things look weak right now. Let's look at these other coins. Let's see what's going on with TRX. Okay, nice little pop with TRX. Okay. So if these other altcoins are having pops, it's a possibility the Bitcoin can go up too, just because of those pops. But like I said before, I don't think Bitcoin is going to go up too high. I think they want to bring it up. I don't think they want to bring it up too high. All right, so let's go back to these questions here. Do you think the cryptos will increase volatility when it hits the ETF and months ahead? You said when it hits the ETFs. It's very hard, bro. I mean, it's a possibility. But it's hard to, say. You said Ripple is trending up. People were shamed into holding their cryptos and because of the YouTubers. Yeah. You said XRP is going up. It is? I don't know. Is it going up? I mean, right now it's at 35 cents. So it might. I see Litecoin popped up. I see Tron popped up. So we might see a pop with it, or we might not see a pop with it. It all depends. We'll see what Bitcoin is going to do tomorrow. Okay, so let's switch gears real quick, and let's talk about my futures, the day trading. Also, if you guys don't have this, you can check that out. I don't know if you guys have that by now. If you don't have that by now, check this out. This is the course for the cryptos. So let's switch gears with futures, the future trading. Okay, let's switch gears with futures trading. And some of you guys just need to expand your thinking and also look at other markets besides cryptos, because there's a lot of markets out here too, and you can make a lot of money with these other markets. Okay, so right now, this is right here, this is a futures account right here. Okay, this is what I day trade. And or the question would be, why do you want to day trade or swing trade? Right now I'm talking about day trading, but you know, why do you want to day trade or swing trade? Okay. The answer is very simple. Because it allows you to build up your cash flow. Okay. Allow you to build up your cash flow. Most of you guys are living paycheck to paycheck. Okay. So let's say some of you guys, let's say you make $3K a month, right? Okay, let's say that you make 3K a month. Man, let me blow this up real quick. So let's say that you make 3K a month, okay? And let's say that your bills add up to, okay, 3,200 or something like that. 3,200 or 3,300. Okay, some of you guys really don't have nothing left at the end of the month. Okay, maybe a couple of $100. All right, you want to fix that. Okay, you want to have at least whatever your bills are at the end of the month. You want to have double that. Okay, so let's say your bills is 3K at the end of the month. Okay, you want to have double that. So after you pay your bills at the end of the month, you want to have 3K left. Okay, that's where you should look for, because once you have something like that, you guys won't live paycheck to paycheck. Okay, and then eventually you want to double that number. Okay, so you want to, let's say your bills is 3K. Now you want to get to a place where after you pay your bills, okay, after you pay your bills, you want to have 6K left, okay? So you can have way more money to play with. So that's one of the reasons why you want to day trade or swing trade. It's going to help you increase your monthly cash flow. That's the name of the game, guys. Okay, stop thinking the name of the game is doing a Hail Mary. Okay, a Hail Mary is just basically taking all your life savings, put it in a 401k or a stock, one stock, and you thinking that stock is going to save you. Guys, that's the wrong way to go. Okay, you have to learn how to generate income for yourself, and the only way you're going to do that is you have to build skills. You have to build money making skills. All right, I told you guys before, I don't even care what skills you build. I don't even care if you open up a eBay store or anything that's going to help you, increase your monthly cash flow. I'm okay with it. All right. But right now we just talking about day trading. Okay. Now, another reason why you want to learn about day trading or swing trading is because it's going to help you, okay, make money during a recession. Okay. Now, this actually what separates the poor from the rich. Okay, the rich guys, these guys know how to make money when the economy is bad. Okay, poor people, what they do when the economy is bad, they suffer. Okay, they suffer. They either lose their job, they suffer, they cut back a lot. They don't spend, they don't do anything. Okay, and with the rich, these guys, they basically make more money during the recession. Okay, so some of you guys really have to understand that during a recession, that's going to make you or break you, right? The reason why a lot of poor people can't make it is because when they do finally make money, they lose it all during a recession. Okay, they lose it all during the recession. Okay, you lose it probably by, let's say that you bought a stock and the recession hits, crash, the market crash, you lose all your money that way, or you can lose your money by, losing your job, okay, and you have to live off of your savings, okay, and you don't have no income coming in, so you're losing your money that way too. So it's multiple ways you can actually lose money during a recession. And a lot of poor people actually lose money during a recession. Okay, This is why poor people will always stay poor. Okay. Now rich, these guys, man, they love the recession because they know how to make money during a recession, and day trading will give you that opportunity. Okay, because right now the stock market is crashing, and guys, I love it. I love it, bro. I mean, there's so much you can ask. I'm quite sure there's some traders that's on my live stream right now. You can ask them. Like, there's so much opportunities right now when the market is crashing, bro. Okay, I love it. Okay, and you guys really have to start building skills. Okay, start building skills. People today are so scared of taking risk. Okay, guys, I'm here to let you know that taking risks is not bad. I mean, when we was younger, guys, we took risks all the time. Like, it was just nothing to us. We was risky when we was younger, and then all of a sudden, when we started to get older, we shied away and we stopped being risky. But even with me, okay, when you hear the word risk, it's not as bad as you think it is. It's just basically, with me, I like to take calculated risks. Okay, I like to take risks to the point where if I'm risking money, I know that it's a strong possibility I'm going to get money back. Okay, that's the type of risk I'm willing to take. And how do you get to that level? Well, you get to that level by practicing. Okay, so you have to study the charts. Okay, you have to study the charts, practice. Okay, you're going to build up skills while you practice. And then when you start trading with real money, that's when you start to take calculated risks. All right, you're not just blindly trading. Okay, that's what I love about the markets. You can literally, trade the market without putting any money up. Okay, so if you wanted to trade the futures market, all you have to do is open up a demo account and boom, practice, build up your skills without putting any money up. Okay, right now, guys, we are living in an era where honestly, it's so easy to make money. Our parents, our grandparents, man, they wish they lived in the type of era that we live in, guys. We live in an era where it's just so easy to make money. I mean, you have 7-year-olds, okay? It's a 7-year-old on YouTube. I think he made like $22 million last year on YouTube. 7 years old. So there's a lot of opportunity, period, in the world, okay, because of the internet, and we have to take advantage of that, okay? Because you guys really don't understand that it's easy right now, but later on things might get harder, okay? A lot of regulations might come in. A lot of rules might a lot of rules might change. So you guys have to take advantage of the situation now. Most of you guys really don't understand, because I think most of you guys, especially your younger guys, you think like this is how life is. You think this life is so easy. You turn on the internet and boom, you make money. No, guys, things will change. It's just how it works. Things never stay the same. Okay. Things will never change. I mean, things will just they don't stay the same. It's just how it is. So make sure you build up skills. Understand that we are living in an era where it's just, guys, we can open up a laptop and make money. Okay. So is it possible to make $200 a day from day trading? And the answer is yes. Okay, yes. Okay, I have students that's on my live stream right now. They actually experience making well over $200 a day. Okay. So some of you guys have to understand that there's a lot of money out here. Okay. I average around 1K to 5K a day, but I don't expect you guys to be on my level yet, because first of all, y'all guys don't even have the funds like that to even, you know, to make 1K to 5K. Okay. Now, the main reason why a lot of people lose when it comes to day trading is because lack of information and lack of, discipline. Okay. A lot of people don't have the right information. Okay. You can go on YouTube right now and type in how to day trade, and I guarantee you, those videos won't show you how to day trade correctly. Okay. They will give you little bits of pieces. Okay. You can try to do it yourself. You can try that. Okay. But it might take longer. Okay. The quickest way that I know to learn, the quickest way I know to success is learning from people that's doing it right now. Now, can you learn on your own? Yeah. I mean, it's a possibility, but you have to understand it's going to take you a lot of time. You have to understand that. Okay. So if you're willing to put in that time, then, and when I mean time, I'm talking about, 6, 7, 8 years down the road. If you're willing to put in that time, then, maybe you can figure it out. But, you guys really have to understand, some of you guys are lacking information. And even if you guys do have the information, some of you guys will not be disciplined. Okay. Like, you can have, like, I can give you the system right now, and some of you guys won't, some of you guys probably won't even make any money because you're not disciplined. Okay. And I used to be that person too. I used to, act crazy when I was day trading. Okay. I had the system the system was working, but it was me. I was, just reckless. I wasn't disciplined. I wasn't following the rules. I was doing all craziness. So you really have to be disciplined. Okay. And there's other reasons why people are not successful with day trading, but those are the main reasons why. Also, last time I talked about day trading, I talked about the myths too. The myths. I think it was 6 or 7 myths of trading. And one of them is risky, and trading is not risky, guys. And when I say it's not risky, basically, yes, you can lose money. But when I mean not risky, it's not risky to the point where the way most people think about trading, they think that it's gambling and you're going to lose all your money right away. No, it's not like that, guys. All right. First of all, you can control your risk. So let's say, for example, I took a trade, and I only want to risk $100 on that trade. I only could lose $100 on that trade. Okay, if I want to risk $50, I can risk $50. If I want to risk $80, I can do that too. Okay, so you can actually control the risk, which is a great thing. And another thing, another myth I wanted to talk about is, most people think you have to have a big account. You don't. Okay, I have students that open up an account with $1,000 or $1,500, and they started making $100 a day, $200 a day with that $1,000. Okay, $200 a day with that $1,000. So stop thinking that you need a big account. You don't. Okay. What else I want to talk about? Let me see. Basically, all you have to do is open up a demo account. Okay, you go to either Ant Futures or Infinity Futures. You can open up a demo account. Okay, and start practicing. If you don't have any strategies, just start looking at the market. Start studying the market. You basically want to stick with the trend, guys. You want to stick with the trend. Okay, and also when you practice, try to have some type of knowledge, because you just don't want to practice just to be practicing. Okay, I know the saying is practice make perfect, but at the same time, it's not really practice make perfect. It's actually perfect practice makes perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like perfect practice makes perfect. So you guys have to understand that you might be practicing the wrong things. Okay, so make sure that you're practicing the right things, and for the most part, you want to go with the trend. Okay, that's when you can make your money. Okay, go with the trend. I usually have a 20 EMA on my chart, a 20 moving average on my chart. And you can follow that. Just go with the trend. The thing with most people is a lot of people lose their money when the market goes like this, sideways. So you can make all your money right here and you can lose all of it back right here. Okay, so that's why you really have to understand the market. You have to understand how to study it, you have to understand when we are ranging. Okay, because a couple of things you can do with this when the market starts to range like this. You can either stay out the market, okay, and wait for the market to break out that range so you can continue to trade, or you can trade the range, but you have to know how to change it. You have to know how to trade the range. Okay, the way I trade the range is I trade the extremes. Okay, the tops and the bottoms. Okay, but you have to understand that we are ranging in real time. Another thing like this, like you see how the market is going up right here. So you follow the trend, you're making money, and all of a sudden we start ranging right here. Okay, a lot of people will get chopped up right here and lose a lot of money. Okay, first of all, you have to notice that there's resistance right here. Okay, and also you have to learn how to read the range. You have to understand that we're ranging, which is not hard to do. Okay, and like I said, you could do a couple of things. You could stay out the range, or you could trade it. All right. Same thing right here. You see how the market was going up, and then we dropped right here, and then we started a range right here. The market's not going anywhere. So that's what I mean when I say range. Okay, that means that the market is going up and down. It's not going anywhere. It's not trending. Okay, so a lot of people will get chopped up right here. But like I said, you can either stay out the market or you can trade the range. You can understand support and resistance. Okay. So those are things that you really have to get used to when you open up your demo account. Like I said, I love the markets because the markets doesn't discriminate. Okay, the market doesn't ask you your race. It doesn't care. It doesn't care about your background. It doesn't care if you have a degree or not. All right. It doesn't care about nothing. Okay. You can go in the market like anybody else. Like these, you could be trading with the banks. Okay, doesn't matter. And you can make money as long as you know what you're doing. And the beauty is you can open up a demo account and start practicing. And the reason why I'm talking about this, guys, is because I want you guys to start building skills. Because most of you guys really don't understand that, the recession is basically here. All right. You guys are probably not feeling it yet, but, you will feel it. Maybe not this year, but, later down the road. And I want you guys to be prepared because the guys that's going to survive are the guys like me or the other traders that know how to trade and make money while the economy is doing bad. Okay. So that's why I wanted to actually talk about this today and get you guys, just understanding why this is very important. Okay. Why it's important to build cash flow. Most of these YouTubers, especially these crypto YouTubers, these guys are lost. These guys are waiting for, Bitcoin to hit a bottom and moon up. These guys are these guys do not even know anything about the market. Okay, first of all, the market doesn't even, in the bear market, the market doesn't just reverse like that and moon up. It doesn't go like this. Okay, it takes time, bro. Okay, it takes time. So while these guys are suffering and don't understand the market, your guys can actually make money now and basically get rid of that paycheck to paycheck situation that you're dealing with. Okay, you guys really want to increase your cash flow. That's the name of the game, guys. Increase your cash flow. Okay, all you guys, all the guys that you look up to, all the millionaires, billionaires, I don't care who it is, even Warren Buffett. I know some of you guys, oh, well, what about Warren Buffett? He's a buy and hold guy, and even him, guys, he has money coming in daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, it's not just about buying and hold with that guy. Okay, that's why I'm trying to help you guys understand. It's not all about buying and holding. Okay, it's about building your monthly cash flow. You can't do that just by buying and holding, because you're gonna have to deal with years where the market is not doing anything and everything is crashing and your account is going down, is down 90%. You're gonna have to deal with that. Okay, the people that survive are the people that know how to navigate, know how to make money in a recession. Those are people that's going to survive and make a lot of money. Okay, I want you guys to get to that level. I want you guys to understand that there's opportunities like that. Okay, most of you guys really don't understand that, and that's why I'm trying to help you guys out. These YouTubers that just read the news every single day, these guys are lost. They will always be lost, and they will never help you out, because that's not what they do. All they do is read news. Okay. Actually, I was looking at a YouTube, one of those XRP YouTubers. I think today or yesterday. I'm reading the comments, and these guys, you know, watch. You see. Give it another year. Okay. People are going to unsubscribe. They're going to get tired of hearing news, like good news all the time, but the coin is going down. Like, trust me, you'll see. But anyway, I hope you guys understand that there's opportunities out here. All you have to do is start to practice. Okay, start practicing. Okay, me personally, I do have a course. Actually, I was supposed to change the price. The price is supposed to be $9.50 right now. I forgot to change it. But this course right here will show you how to day trade the futures market. All right. If you guys have any questions on that, you can type in your questions. And that course is one of the best courses out there. I have students that double, triple their account. And these are the people that never day traded in their lives. Okay. And like I said, I want to give you guys that opportunity. This course comes with a Discord room. It comes with all the classes that I recorded. And it comes with, the crypto course too, if you don't have the crypto course. And, you'll see videos like me trading live in front of my students, making money. Okay. And just basically explaining everything about the markets. Okay. If you guys have any questions about that, you can type it in. But yeah, that's pretty much what this stream is about, guys. I want you guys to understand that 2019 is here. It's a different year. And I want you guys to start building skills, guys. Start building skills, money-making skills. All right? Money-making skills. The reason why people can make money is because they build skills. That's what it is, right? It's not because they lucky. It's not because they talented. It's because they have a skill that allows them to make money. Some of you guys have to start building skills, all right? And like I said before, I said this in one of my other streams. You guys don't even have to make $1 million right now, okay? Most of you guys talking about Lambo this and $1 million that. Guys, if you make $250 million a year, that's like making 20K a month. If you can't live off of 20K a month, you're doing something wrong. Okay, that's a lot of money. So you guys don't even have to make $1 million a year yet. Okay, you can wait to make your $1 million. Okay, 250 is still good. And I know the people that's watching this video right now, I know deep down inside, you guys know that you can do better. Okay, you know that you can do better with yourself. I know it. Some of you guys know, looking at my live stream right now, you're saying to yourself, man, I can do better, with my life. Okay, I don't have to suffer, and it's so true. You don't have to suffer, bro. All right, and all my females, you don't have to suffer. Let's go back to these questions. I just want to get that off my chest today. Let me go back to these questions real quick, and I'm probably going to get out of here. Make you guys continue with your weekend. HD said, y'all cop that course. It pays for itself, literally. Shout out to you, HD. Yes. Both courses that I have, man, it basically pay for itself. I have people that, got this course right here. They made way over the amount that they paid for it. And this is life-changing stuff, man. Life-changing stuff. Swazza said, love the futures market. Buying Ben's day trading course is the best investment I ever made. So shout out to him. He's actually one of my students. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Thanks a lot for coming and being one of the traders, bro. Which platform do I use? So this platform is called Sierra Chart. Okay, Sierra Chart. And that's a platform you can actually use while you're trading the market. Okay, you can open up a demo account with Ant Futures or Infinity Futures. Okay, and you can get Sierra charts. Okay, and like I said, when you trade the futures, all right, when you trade the futures, you can actually it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I mean, I'm sorry. When you trade the futures, you have a lot of other markets you can trade. Okay, me personally, I only right now I'm trading the S&P 500, and I traded crude oil. But there's a lot of markets you can trade. Okay, they have forex products. Okay, they have the British pound, Canadian dollar. Okay, the euro. They have crude oil. They have a lot of products that you can trade. Cotton. I mean, a lot of stuff. Okay, I mean this whole list right here. Japanese yen, Nasdaq. I'm just trying to name the names that you probably guys know. The Dow. Okay. Who else? I'm trying to name the names that you probably know because they have a whole bunch of lists. This is a list right here. Of course, they have. I think they have. Yeah, they have gold. They have silver. All right. Copper. All right. They have a lot. Natural gas. Whole bunch of products that you can trade. Orange juice. But what I mainly trade right now is the S&P 500. The market is crashing. The volatility is good. Okay. And you can make a lot of money from that. You said, can anyone recommend Mac friendly trading platform? For the people that got my program, there are a lot of people that got my program that has a Mac. What they use is something called, man, what is that? Parallel, something like that. I believe it's Parallel they use. Is this course for beginners? Okay. All my courses, I made sure that I made it as simple as possible. Okay, so yes, I would say 98% of my students are beginners. Okay, 98% of my students are beginners. So I made it as simple as possible. All you have to do is practice. And like I said, you could practice with the demo account. You don't have to. You don't even have to put money up. Okay, that's why I love it, because it helps you build your skills without risking any money. I don't know any business out there like that. It's realistically possible to get 300% return in a week from day trading futures market. You can do it this week with, yes. Shout out to you, Swazzer. You can make a lot, man. I'm telling you, bro, a lot. Okay. You know, it's to the point where I had students double their account in 1 week. Okay, and I'm not saying that to say that you will double your account in 1 week. Okay, so I'm not saying that you're going to do that. I'm just saying what happened. Join your crypto trading class today. Shout out to you, Jay. You joined it today. Let me give you a round of applause. Okay. So, Jay, if you joined my my class, email me so you can get the Discord room, okay? Yeah, email me so you get the Discord room, and make sure you send me proof that you bought the class, man. Shout out to you, Jay. Appreciate the support, man. Ash said, Ben, I made a big mistake yesterday thinking I could trade Bitcoin futures after thinking I knew indicators. I lost $400. Definitely going to get one of your courses, Ben. I want to learn. Shout out to you, Ash. Yeah, so if you trade Bitcoin futures, you should get this course right here, because this course actually comes with the Bitcoin. It comes with the what do you call that? It comes with the crypto course and this course. Okay, so this futures day trading course comes with the crypto course too. Right now it's $750, but I was, I forgot to actually raise it to $950. Okay, so the price is going to be $950, but right now is at $750. But it comes with the crypto course, and also it will show you how to day trade the futures. All right. What else? You said you use indicators, so yes, and me personally, I don't use any indicators. Okay, I would probably the only indicator I would probably have you guys use is maybe a moving average, and me personally, I don't even need a moving average. Okay, I just put it on my chart just to help you guys, temporarily, but honestly, you don't even need it. Okay, it comes to only looking at the candles, and that's it. I know it sounds weird to a lot of people, but that's all you need. You don't need all these indicators. Do you think trading stocks futures is better than sticking to crypto, Ben? It all depends on what you're trying to do. Okay, so basically, if you're day trading cryptos, and if you're day trading, okay, meaning that you're day trading during the day, I think futures, the futures market is better. If you're swing trading the cryptos and you're looking to swing trade maybe the Forex or the commodities, different like that, it's probably the same. The only thing I would say is lately, crypto market lately slowed down after we broke down, and was going down all the way down to like 3,000, and we popped up like this. Okay, we popped up right here. We slowed down a little bit, but for the most part, it's the same. You might have other markets that probably move much better than crypto. So yes, crypto right now is slow. So if you want to swing trade, okay, just swing trade. There's other markets you can swing trade like Forex and commodities, whatever. But day trading itself, no. Day trading the futures to me is better. Okay. So the stock futures right now, the Nasdaq, S&P, the Dow, all those stock futures, man. These guys. Those markets are like amazing right now because the market is crashing. So every time the market crashes, the VIX goes up, and then there's more volatility. Okay, more volatility means more money for traders, because there's, the swings are much larger, and the moves are much, the moves will continue to go down much deeper and all that stuff. So yes, you can make a lot of money trading the stock futures right now. Hey, what's going on, John? How you doing? Swazzer said, you want a shortcut to success? Invest in Ben's course, change your life for the future. Shout out to you, bro. And Swazzer is actually one of my day trading students, man. He went all in, guys. I mean, if you in my class, you know that this guy is addicted to trading, because he actually screenshot a picture of his trading room, and he has a whole bunch of charts on his wall. Okay, this guy went all in, man, and he's making money too. Let me see here. Yes. So Sierra Charts has the replay future. Yes, it does have the replay future, John. All right. Is there a site also for is there also a free site with replay feature? This is, you can actually replace off this. I don't know if you're talking about the futures market or the Bitcoin. Okay, if you're talking about Bitcoin, I don't know anything about that when it comes to replay. Hey, what's going on, Bobby? You said, where's those TTP shirts? I saw some. Okay, yeah. Honestly, Bobby, I forgot all about that. Yeah, I can actually create some shirts so you guys could get them, because honestly, I forgot all about that. Because I just created a shirt for myself, and I forgot that you guys wanted one too. Shout out to Swazzer for giving me that super chat. He gave me $5. He said, build skills with Ben and find true freedom. Let me give you that round of applause, and also let me give you that bomb to go along with that. Raspy said, I will save up for this. I don't care, man. Shout out to you, bro. Let me know. Let me know, man. Email me if you have any questions. You said you feel ETH will be very strong this year. Okay. Why do you feel ETH is going to be strong this year? Let me know. Hi Ben, I'm new to your channel. Can you show us any one of your successful trades on Bitcoin course? You said on a Bitcoin course you can show successful trades. I don't know exactly what you mean by that. Do you want to see an example of a successful trade? I mean, that's what you're talking about? These examples all over the chart. I mean, you could pick a flag. Let me know exactly what you mean by that. Thank you. Using a demo would be nice. Yes, man. Happy New Year's, bro. Happy New Year's, David. Happy New Year's, man. You say I'm looking for a teacher for day trading for 2019. Yeah, man. Come through, bro. Okay, the group that I have is a good group. So you know, definitely we'd like to have you. Ash said, thanks, Ben. I appreciate you sharing your knowledge, man. No problem, man. No problem, bro. yeah, so like I said, I don't know if you're talking about Bitcoin or the futures market, but if you want to see me trade live, just click on my channel. Just click on my channel, and you will see a whole bunch of live videos of me just trading live and making money. All right, and the reason why I'm doing that because actions speaks louder than words, guys. All right, action speaks louder than words. So, I'd rather show you guys action. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. I'm about to get out of here, and I'll talk to you guys later. You said, sorry, can you show us one successful trades? So I don't know what you mean, but do you want to see a successful trade on the chart on my bank? I don't know exactly what you mean. Just go to my channel and look at my videos, okay? Because you say you're new to my channel, so that's if you're new to my channel, the best thing I can tell you to do is go on my videos. Go to my channel and watch my videos. You will see multiple videos of me making successful trades. All right. But thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. Let me give you guys a round of applause again, once again. I hope you guys have a prosperous new year, 2019. Hope you guys make a lot of money in 2019, guys. All right. I want you guys to make a lot of money in 2019. I want you guys to change your bad habits in 2019, guys. And I want you guys to just live the life that you deserve, okay? And you just gotta work towards that, okay? Don't expect to get a reward just by laying in the bed, okay? Most of these moon boys, they lay in the bed, watch the news, and that's it, and they expect to get $1 million. Okay, and what I was talking about today is we live in an era where it's so easy to make money, but guys, things is going to change. Okay, and the same thing when I say things are going to change, the same thing with crypto. Okay, it was back in the days it was easy to make money with crypto. Okay, if you really think it's always going to be this easy, then you have a lot to learn. Okay, they always change things, just like when it came to the stock market, and the stock market had that .com bubble. They actually put a lot of rules and regulations after that .com bubble because a lot of millionaires, a lot of people actually became millionaires because of that .com bubble. So the government don't like that, so they have to put regulations in place. Okay, so you guys really have to step up your game, start to build skills, and help yourself get out that rat race, get out that paycheck to paycheck situation. Talk to you guys later. If you guys have any questions on anything or any of my courses, you can email me. Shout out to all you guys once again. Happy New Year. Have a safe weekend, and always look to improve, always study, always practice. Talk to you guys later. Actually, let me give you guys a round of applause before I get out of here. Okay. Thanks a lot. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day, guys. All right.